Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Trader versus Ctrader versus Dxtrade versus Tradelocker. Best trading platform. When it comes to picking the best trading platform, four big names stand out: Trader, Ctrader, Dxtrade, and Tradelocker. Let's break it down. MatchTrader is a newer cloud-based solution built for brokers who want a fast, branded, all-in-one experience. It's slick, integrates CRM and risk tools, and doesn't need third-party bridges, but it's less popular and lacks advanced charting. Ctrader, on the other hand, is a powerhouse favored by pros for its institutional grade tools, advanced charts, algo support, and transparency. The trade off: a steeper learning curve and higher broker costs. Now, Dxtrade is all about customization, designed by the dev experts. It gives brokers the ability to build unique trading setups with fast performance and admin tools. However, it's not as widely recognized and can feel too generic without customization. Finally, there's Tradelocker, a mobile first platform, super clean, integrated with TradingView, and perfect for prop firms or new traders. The catch: it lacks depth for algorithmic or professional use. So here's the verdict: Trader leads for advanced traders, Trader works for brokers who want turnkey solutions, Dxtrade fits those needing customization, and Tradelocker shines for mobile-first lightweight trading. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.